This is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and while it might resemble the S23 Ultra, which itself looked like the S22 Ultra, it's one of the most fascinating phones of the last decade. It could reignite the smartphone battle. I'm fully switching to it instead of my iPhone, thanks to crucial hardware improvements. Most notably, it's the first phone with Galaxy AI, cooler and more useful than expected. The updated design catches the eye. It's sleek, flatter, and less rounded, resembling a red carpet version of the S23 Ultra. The satin finish hides fingerprints better, and the textured matte side rails are a nice touch. New colors, like funky yellow and a two-tone violet, add a unique flair. The gray option, reminiscent of the iPhone 15 Pros, stands out, especially with its color-changing effect in different lighting. Beyond aesthetics, significant hardware upgrades are present. The phone boasts the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, a substantial leap forward. The frame, now made of titanium instead of aluminum, contributes to a slimmer and lighter design. The flat display, a departure from recent models, allows for even screen borders, providing a visually pleasing symmetry. The S24 Ultra features a large 200-megapixel main camera with improvements in capturing speed. The screen brightness has increased significantly to 2600 nits, enhancing visibility in various lighting conditions. Hardware enhancements, such as a larger heat sink and support for Wi-Fi 7, contribute to better performance and energy efficiency. Stay tuned for part 2 for more on the camera upgrades, software improvements, and the introduction of Galaxy AI. Let's take a look at the video on the official channel of the S24 Ultra.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 gigabytes of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 gigabytes of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5,000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.